Ditch the distraction. Embrace simplicity. Dumb phones, also known as feature phones, are a throwback to a less complicated time. These basic devices focus on core functionalities: calling, texting, and maybe even a camera. Forget app stores, endless scrolling, and social media notifications. Dumb phones offer a digital detox, allowing you to reconnect with the real world and reclaim control of your time. With long-lasting batteries and durable designs, they're perfect for those seeking a reliable phone for essentials, or for parents wanting a safer device for their kids. So, if you crave a simpler life, a dumb phone might be the refreshing break you need. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, smartconsumer.com. Number 5. Nokia 2720. Experience with a modern twist. Its durable polycarbonate shell, available in black, gray, or red, can handle everyday bumps and bruises. A spacious 2.8-inch internal display makes navigating menus and viewing messages comfortable, while the external screen shows you who's calling and notifications. It boasts a long-lasting 1,500 mAh removable battery that can keep you connected for days on a single charge. The large buttons make dialing and texting a breeze, and there's even a dedicated emergency button for peace of mind. Though it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of a smartphone, it does offer essential features like a 2MP camera, 4G connectivity, and even basic apps like Facebook. With its simple interface, excellent battery life, and familiar design, the Nokia 2720 Flip is a perfect choice for anyone who wants a reliable phone for calls, texts, and staying connected with loved ones, without the complexities of a smartphone. Number 4. Doro 6820 is a clamshell phone that prioritizes ease of use and safety. Its clamshell design protects the keypad when not in use, while the large 2.8-inch display with high contrast makes reading text and menus effortless. Loud and clear audio with HD voice technology ensures you hear conversations perfectly, even in noisy environments, and the phone is hearing aid compatible for additional convenience. For moments you want to capture, a 2MP camera with flash is available, and basic functionalities like a radio and FM antenna keep you entertained. Most importantly, a dedicated assistance button on the back provides peace of mind. Pressing it in an emergency automatically dials and sends an SMS alert to your pre-programmed contacts, letting them know you need help. Whether you prefer a black or red finish, the Doro 6820's soft touch coating offers a secure grip, and the well-spaced high-contrast buttons make dialing and texting a breeze. Even better, a charging cradle is included for easy charging at home, and with 4G connectivity, you can stay connected with loved ones through calls, texts, or even basic apps like Facebook, all on a user-friendly interface with a long-lasting battery that keeps you going for days on a single charge. Number 3. Nokia 3310. A name synonymous with indestructible phones and epic battery life, comes in 2 flavors: the original 2000 model and a 2017 reboot with a touch of modernity. Both options prioritize the fundamentals of a phone: reliable calling, clear texting, and the ever-engrossing Snake game. The classic 3310 is a tank of a phone, its candy bar design built to withstand drops and bumps, perfect for those who value a no-frills phone that can go the distance. The 2017 refresh retains the same rugged spirit, but with a contemporary twist, sporting a curved 2.4-inch color display and a 2-megapixel camera to capture life's moments. What truly sets the 3310 apart is its legendary battery life. Unlike smartphones perpetually tethered to chargers, the 3310 boasts talk times measured in hours and standby time stretching into weeks, a testament to a simpler time. While the original focused solely on communication and the iconic Snake, the 2017 version throws in a few modern concessions with a microSD card slot for expandable storage and a basic web browser for a peek into the online world. Ultimately, the Nokia 3310 caters to 2 distinct audiences: those seeking a dependable phone for staying connected without the distractions of a smartphone, and those yearning for a nostalgic journey back to an era defined by this iconic device. Number 2. Nokia 880 Tough is a feature phone built for those who demand durability and practicality in equal measure. Its robust design, certified with both IP68 and MILSTD 810 ratings, can shrug off drops, dust, water immersion, and even extreme temperatures, making it a perfect companion for adventurous users or those working in harsh environments. A spacious 2.4-inch display ensures comfortable navigation, while the large buttons provide a satisfying tactile experience for calls and texts. Despite its tough exterior, the 880 Tough doesn't compromise on functionality. It boasts 4G connectivity for reliable calls and data access, and a 2MP camera lets you capture basic photos on the go. The phone also integrates essential features like a long-lasting 2,100 mAh battery that keeps you connected for days, an FM radio for entertainment, and even Google Assistant for voice-activated assistance. While it won't compete with smartphones in terms of features, the 880 Tough prioritizes what matters most for its target audience: a reliable connection, a long-lasting battery, and a build that can withstand anything you throw at it. Number 1. Nokia 225 caters to those who want a reliable phone for essentials without the complexities of a smartphone. Its compact design, featuring a 2.4-inch display and a dust and splash-resistant keypad, is perfect for comfortable one-handed use and can handle everyday wear and tear. Despite its unassuming size, the 225 4G packs a punch with 4G connectivity, ensuring clear call quality and access to social media and even light gaming. Navigating the phone is a breeze thanks to the responsive keypad and dedicated function keys, while the glossy finish adds a touch of sophistication. The 0.3 megapixel camera allows for basic photo capturing, and the long-lasting 1,150 mAh battery keeps you connected for days on a single charge. Whether you're looking for a reliable backup phone, a first phone for a young user, or simply a way to stay connected without the constant distractions of a smartphone, the Nokia 225 4G offers a compelling combination of affordability, durability, and essential features in a user-friendly package.